Changing your zip code in the DoorDash app is essential for accurate delivery and billing. To update your delivery zip code, navigate to the Addresses section in your profile settings, usually under Account. Here, you can edit your current address or add a new one. Make sure the zip code is correct, as DoorDash uses this to determine restaurant availability, delivery fees, and local taxes. To change your billing zip code, go to the Payment Methods tab and update the zip code associated with your credit or debit card. The app may require two-factor authentication for security when making these changes. Ensure both delivery and billing zip codes are correct for uninterrupted service. If you encounter issues changing your zip code, double-check your internet connection and app version. Ensure the app is updated to v22.plus as of late 2025. Verify you've correctly entered the new zip code and confirmed any changes via email or SMS. If problems persist, contact DoorDash support for assistance. Looking ahead, expect more automation in address management, possibly with AI suggesting updates based on your device's GPS. Enhanced security features, like blockchain for secure address storage, are also on the horizon. Keep an eye out for features that could automatically suggest address changes based on GPS location, reducing the need for manual input.